Hi lovelies, thank you for stopping by and welcome to Onyinye Ajala's channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the best crunchy and milky Nigerian chinchin. Let's get started. The list of ingredients including measurements is in the description box below. A very big thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe as we share lots of yummy recipes made with love. In a bowl, add sugar, add liquid milk, add water, add vanilla flavor and stir together and set aside. In another bowl, add your flour, add your cinnamon, your salt, your powdered milk and stir very well to mix together. Create a hole and add your egg and mix to combine very well. Add butter and mix till it turns to crumbs. Add your sugar and milk mixture and mix very well to form dough. Knead your dough well until it's smooth and stretchy. Flour your surface and roll out your dough. Roll it out very flat and thin. Then start cutting your dough into your desired shapes and size. You have to cut it to your desired shape. This is how I'm cutting my own. Some like it in long stripes, but I like mine in cube stripes, just the way I'm doing it. You see how lovely it is. Then add your oil. We are deep frying. Add the oil to your pan and add your cut chinchin. See how lovely it looks. My chinchin is done. Fry till it's golden brown. Remove from heat and repeat process. This is how you do it. Then repeat the process. Set aside to cool off. And voila, my chinchin is ready. This is my crunchy milky chinchin. Will you be trying out this recipe? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and support. Please and please subscribe to my channel. Bye until we meet next time.